Hello, I'm delighted to introduce you to Access Workspace for Hospitality. Cast your eye back to 2007 when Steve Jobs stood up in front of the whole world and Apple launched the iPhone. The iPhone, in essence, brought together three pieces of functionality which we were at the time consuming from different places. The iPod to listen to music, a phone, and the internet which we would browse on a PC, all in the one device. It revolutionized the consumer market. Now imagine if you could harness that power into your operation, into your business environment, and bring together all of the business applications that you use into the one place that can easily be consumed by your GMs, your assistant GMs, and anyone in sight as well as the back office. This is in essence what Access Workspace does. Now, as the consumer of this business software, I can design my own workspace, so I can literally create the apps that I want, drag them around, resize them as I see fit. I have already pre-configured a workspace tab here, so imagine that I am the regional manager of a number of sites. As you can see, I'm actually viewing workspace through my iPad at the moment, so I can access this anytime, any place. First and foremost, you can see at the top left there's a 9-dot grid which links through to all of the business applications underpinning this. So for Access, that would be our EPOS, it would be our table reservations, our ticketing solution, our people solution, our rostering solution, our purchase to pay solution, our stock solution, our property maintenance solution. All of these applications are all brought together in the one place. If I then zoom in here, I can see here the top line sales data, flash reports on orders. If I scroll across, I can see my next holiday is due in 83 days. My daily tasks, click through into that, and that then automatically takes me into the application, in this case to approve an order. Flicking back, if I go across, there's an announcements board that can be included, stick-it notes for my to-do list. I can link things like the company news off Twitter. On the left, we're looking at some dashboards. So this is pulling data from our purchase to pay solution, and I can see there the orders placed by category and by value. So whether it's food, drinks, tobacco, all broken down. Scrolling down, I can see even more dashboards that I've configured here. So outstanding credits, outstanding invoices, and then my spend category. So total spend on food, total spend on beverage, and other categories all broken down there. Again, I can look at the order values by unit and indeed zoom in a bit further or scroll down the various sites to look at that data. So that was me as an area manager having a look across all the venues. Now I am going to tab across and pretend that I'm a site manager of the Willowbank. So immediately here, as the general manager for the Willowbank, I can see everything that I need all in the one place. So if we scroll down, I can see this week's reservations, which is pulling from my reservations software. And if I scroll down, I can see different transactions from my EPOS in case I wanted to drill into those. Scrolling across, I can see here callouts that require my approval. So if I double click through to that, again, more details there. And I also have the ability to add odd jobs onto the jobs list, again for a handyman to then do call out. If I then wanted to place a specific call out, again I can do that here, and this is pulling functionality from our property maintenance solution. Other functionality on display, I can see the colleagues who are absent today, I can see orders that are expected due, orders that I need to approve from the kitchen for food, etc. All of that can be actioned in the one place. I've also a separate analytics tab where I have all of my dashboards in case I want to drill into that information a little bit further. And then lastly, if I wanted to find a colleague, I can find her, click into her, and then look at the hierarchy of people that report into her or who she reports into. Hopefully that's given you a taste of what Access Workspace could do for your operation and how it could transform your business. If you do have any further questions, then please don't hesitate to reach out to one of my colleagues at Access Hospitality.